Okay folks, I hope you're having a great day today. Right here in front of us is going to be the air duster and vacuum cleaner by the company MECO. Just like all my videos, top link in the description box below will be this exact same air duster where you guys can pick it up and read more about it. What I really like about this is where I am in the country, we get a lot of dust, a lot of debris that comes in the house, and I want to use this for my electronics. I want to use this for my home entertainment center that I've spent quite a bit of an investment on. And you have your user manual. We have some cleaning brushes, all sorts of cleaning brushes. We got some plastic tweezers, some like little metal prongs here, and then a little brush tool here. And what's nice about this is also for my keyboard. It's getting a little dusty in my office, or I should say my temporary office while I'm doing a full remodel. You also have a vacuum with a brush, and that is adjustable, so you can go ahead and do that, or a one like that there. And again, also you can think about your car as well. Now this of course is battery powered. You have a filter right here. That might be a second filter. Let's go ahead and get this out real quickly. You have a recharging cable, USB to USB Type-C. And we have a straight, small, tall and thin for between the car seats or your computer. We also have 3 different sizes, a very small one. That's really nice for your computer. Very thin. A medium one and a larger one there for suction. So this is going to go ahead and take care of all your different needs for computers to your car, and then a thin one with a brush right here. That's absolutely fantastic for your keyboard. We'll of course show you some examples here in just a second. Okay, and now let's get to the good old vacuum cleaner itself, or I should say the motor and body itself here. And if you notice that, of course, you do have a little nylon drawstring bag here for storage. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the device here. This is where all your attachments screw onto right here. You do have a filter right here, so that is a secondary filter. You have your power button right here. There are 3 levels of power, and your on and off switch right here with your recharging cable USB Type-C plug-in right here. This has a 2000 milliamp battery, and this is your ventilation, so this is going to be going out like this as it sucks in right here. Let's go ahead and briefly show you here. We'll click that on. That's on the low setting. You have the medium setting, and you have the high setting here. One more click and you go back to the low setting, and then that's your on and off button once again. So once again, this is your vacuum side, and this is your blower side. So all your different attachments right here are going to have your blower right here. So if you need to blow it away, and then you can suck it up, etc. So sucking, and then your blowing right here. And all your different attachments right here. And these all push in and then tighten. So this is your very, very small one here. You have battery indicator lights right here on this side. So this is blowing. And so you would blow, and then you go ahead and just clean up that area there, or just vacuum. So we got some testing to do. Okay, here is a prime example of my dirty keyboard, and yes, it is very dusty. Some of the dust obviously will come up, and then some of the keys will need actual probably good wipe down. If you have an older keyboard that is, goodness, this is probably coming up on like maybe 7+8 years old or so. So sometimes that's what you get if you don't clean it. Anyway, let's go ahead and use the machine here. First off, I'm gonna go ahead and just vacuum a little bit here. And my computer is off right now, but obviously the power it's plugged in. Definitely do this, obviously with it not on, or your computer's gonna go bonkers. And definitely wanting to get that loose. You see that? That's disgusting. How'd that come up there? That was a little piece of a nail. That's nasty. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So, definitely run through here first. And I am noticing, because this is a review video, if you push too hard, that will go ahead and come down, and you don't want that hard plastic on your keyboard. So if you jam it too hard, that will slip down on you like that. You want to keep that brush up like this here, and then get all the big dust first, and then let's go ahead and turn it around here and see that we got hair coming out all through the keys here as we get in between the keys. See all that dust coming out? Just nastiness. Again, we're gonna have to clean that stuff up that has come out of the keyboard keys here. This is a mechanical keyboard, if you are wondering, as we're shooting out more dust and looking absolutely, oh goodness gracious, look at this coming up right here. What is that? Look at this. Look at that, it's just a hair. Oh, that's disgusting. Let me go ahead and see if we can get that here. Suck that guy up. Yeah, just a big old hairball. That's nasty. Again, then we're gonna have to clean up our mouse mat here. And then, yeah, some of these keys, like I said, are gonna have some really deep cleaning there with some isopropyl alcohol to be able to clean where your fingers are. See how my clean fingers hit that and then it's dirty up here? That's just nasty grime. I mean, that's just caked on there. That's just, yeah, that's nasty. Anywho, very nice for in between the keyboard there. Vacuum that up. Sorry, it's a little tight down here, but this is my interior of my computer right here. And this is where you need to be very careful because obviously there's a lot of electronics in here, but this is where you need to dust and vacuum. Getting my graphics card down by my power supply down here, on top of my power supply, turning it over, blowing out any nastiness around the motherboard, memory cards, by the fan. Whew. Yeah, it's putting a lot of dust up. I should do this more regularly, that is for sure. Again, especially with your computers, use your different attachments. This one might be a little bit too large, so go ahead and use your other one, your other brush tool here. Of course, your other tools as well if you need to get in to that keyboard there with your little brush. You could get in there really nice and tight. See with this brush here going through your keys. That's really nice being able to loosen up. See that? That might be, oh goodness, that might be dog hair. I mean, that's all the above. Look at that. Look at that coming up. Just what it does is it just, yeah, goodness gracious. See that? Look at that right there. So go ahead and just clean your keyboard like this. Look at how this brush is getting around my mechanical keyboard keys like that, bringing that up, dust it, blow it, clean it properly. Also for the top of my computer up here by the fans on the top here, the fans do get caked in with a lot of dust on top as well. I'm out here in the country and it can get very, very dusty. Again, regular cleaning is a lot better than not cleaning. I do have some caked in dust. As you can see the difference between this, but not too bad. And then of course your printer as well. You guys are like, Chris, have you ever cleaned your devices? Doesn't look like it, that is for sure. Goodness gracious, there's a lot of dust over my SSDs. See this in the back here? The back of your computer fan? Look at that. Oh, goodness gracious. That's disgusting. Look at that. Just a few seconds, and we're looking a lot better already. And then, of course, all your nasty dust does get trapped up in your compartment here. Go ahead and unlock it and go ahead and throw that away when you're ready to go. The filter is washable. Just read the directions and follow the directions. And while you're waiting for one to dry, if you do wash it, remember you can get right back into the game of cleaning with your other filter. And also do remember with your other attachments, these ones here, you can blow up air mattresses, you can blow up inflatable pool toys, etc. that have the different blow up valves like this, especially with this long reach one, be able to blow up an inflatable mattress. And then also you can use these for the opposite effect of blowing for sucking if you need to have vacuum sealed clothing bags, etc. to remove the air out of the vacuum seal bag for your storage clothing if you're putting winter clothes into storage for over summertime. Overall, it's a very small, nice little device that has, again, the double features of the sucking and blowing power for cleaning. And it's a very cool, small, compact device. Well, once again, top link in the description box right below the video will be this exact same handheld 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as more tech related videos. My name is Chris. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.